Hey, it's Rich Price, and I've got to be honest with you. If you've ever tried to start an online business, you've probably seen those ads from gurus charging $5, $10, even $20,000 for coaching. They promise financial freedom, but what they really sell is confusion and debt. The truth? You don't need another overpriced coaching program to make money online. Most people just need a proven system, something that's already built, already working, and doesn't require you to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to spend months learning complicated funnels or chasing algorithms. You just need the right roadmap and the right mentorship that doesn't drain your savings before you even make a dollar. See, I partner with everyday people, not tech experts, not influencers, just real people who want to earn from home using a digital business that's already been tested, proven, and automated. You can start learning how it works right now without paying for expensive so-called coaching. All the tools, the training, and the support you need to earn online are already waiting for you. It's simple, it's ethical, and it actually works because it's built around value, not hype. So if you're tired of being sold empty promises, and you're ready to finally see how real people are building online income without massive upfront costs, click the link in the video description below or visit partnerwithrichprice.com right now. You'll see exactly how you can start building a business that fits your life, not one that drains your wallet, because success online shouldn't cost you thousands. It should pay you thousands.